How to check for updates on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, go to Software Update. You can view the available software downloads over here. Tap on Update Now if you want to update the software. Or, tap on Update Tonight below. Then, go to Automatic Updates at the top. As you can see, Automatic Updates is currently turned off. Turn on the iOS Updates feature at the top if you want to automatically install iOS software updates. Following these steps, you can easily check for updates on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.